Alright, so we're just coming down the beach, Kuta Beach, right up near the very start of Kuta Beach. Here's the big Neptune statue. And yeah, we'll see, I might have to put the camera down, and sometimes these dogs attack the bike, you know. Well, there might be some sort of ceremony going on. Looks like there might be some sort of ceremony going on today. Yeah, there's a lot of, there's a big ceremony here on the beach. Yeah, not sure what that's for, but it's a lot of people. Might stop on the way back and ask what it's about. There's a lot of dogs through here, so by the time they see Lucy on the bike and trying to get at her, you know, it's just coming through to see how the sand pumping thing is going, if they've got the pipes through here yet, and what's the go with the new break wall. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, so they've started the fourth break wall. And you see the rocks just here, very close to the beach. They actually are stepping in all the way through here. So they're getting, yeah, they're getting closer and closer to the beach, which is strange. You think maybe it's too deep to put them out there or something. You see from the first one way up there, and then the second one, and the third one, and this one, they're all stepping in. Apparently there's going to be 5. There's going to be another one down here. And I've even heard talks that they're going to put them all the way up the beach, but I doubt if they will. There's too much swell cops up there. In this little corner here, you don't get as much swell. So, but I'll just let Lucy off the bike. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Go and have a little walk up here and have a look. I was just curious about, geez, there's a lot more rubbish in this corner. Now up at Legian, I was up there yesterday and it was pretty clean, the beach. But there's a lot, and a lot of it's timber and logs and that, you know. Down on the waterline there's a bunch of plastic. And what I come to see, you see the big pipes here. They're starting to bring more and more pipes in. And from the German beach over there, I did that video, I'll leave a card for it, you know, up there. Or whatever, on that one about the sand pumping. And I'm going to start doing updates on it as they do it over the next year, every couple of months. You can see the big giant pipes here on the beach. And I thought they might have connected it up to here already, but they haven't. So they're bringing more and more big loads of these huge rocks down to start the foundation for this break wall here. Yeah, it's strange how they're stepping in all the way. They're just getting closer and closer to the beach. And anyway, you can see along the waterline here, the amount of rubbish. Look at it. My God, there's heaps of it. See, the government could easily get in, just with, you know, a little bobcat or something, and just scoop all this shit up, you know. And it wouldn't really take that long. It only goes, by the look of it, well, the Rockwall starts up here about 200 metres away, so for them to skim all this with a bobcat or something and rake it up or something, we'll get 50 people down here to clean it up. And you can see most of it is all these little plastic cup things, you know. Now they're supposed to be banned. They're supposed to ban them a year or so ago, and maybe even longer, but they're still everywhere. So anyway, otherwise it's a nice morning. Had a bit of rain last night as usual, we're getting the nighttime rain. Yeah, you can see the base where they just started for this rock wall here, the fourth one. Yeah, geez, yeah, there's a lot of rubbish up this end. So what we'll do is cruise up the beach a bit. We'll see the difference between this corner. The people say it's because of the airport extension and all that, the reason why the erosion's here, but really there was never that much beach up in there where all the footpaths are collapsed. There was never that much sand there anyway, you know. Yeah, the outer reef is a blocker, you know, and that little extension on the runway, I don't really think it did that much. It's just talk. an excuse. Naturally the water will come in here from the south and then sweep up around that curve, and that's why it washes out more up here near the lifesaving tower. So anyway, we'll get back on the bike and we'll go up and check out what it's like in Legion, because Legion, maybe this all washed in last night, I don't know. But it's pretty clean up Legion yesterday. So anyway, we'll go up and check that out. Come on, Lucy. Lucy? Lucy loves the beach. Hey, Lucy. Hey? Good girl. So in the next couple of days, I'll go right up that end, the German end beach, German beach end, and just see how far that pipe has been extended through here. I thought they might have already put it through to here already, or getting close to it, but it's not. So anyway, let's move up the beach. Okay, so they've got a little ceremony going here. The puck said it was for the temple. That must be the Manku over there. Maybe he's the monk who's sitting there with the crown on. So he's like a crown on. So they said this is a ceremony for the temple, I suppose the local temple here. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, I won't bother them, it's a little bit invasive. But I asked first and they said yes, I can film. So anyway, we'll move on. What do you reckon, Les? On the bike? Andai Kuta, Kuta. Yeah, still, so we'll just cut through here. You're not supposed to ride up here, but people do. This early in the morning, it doesn't matter. Past some of these big resorts. We'll see what they've done with the footpath up here as well. See if they've actually fixed it where it was all collapsed in front of the Hard Rock Cafe. Still a few people setting up here, but they just haven't got as much space now as they used to. It's washed away a lot, so yeah. Well, it looks like they've just taken away a lot of the footpath. I'll just cruise up a little bit further and have a look. Yeah, we'll just cruise up here a little bit right in front of the Hard Rock and see what they've done with the footpath up here. Yeah, it's very quiet around town. Very quiet indeed. Okay, Luce, off you get. Alright, now the footpath's here. I'm not sure exactly where it collapsed. Oh, this is where it collapsed here. Look. Well, they haven't really done much, which is surprising. It's coming on Christmas. You think the government would just get into this and fix it. They really need to run it right against the wall all the way and put a solid foundation. But yeah, it's still, they made it clear anyway so you can walk nice and easy. But the thing is, it's still just, they've brought a lot of it up and the rest of it's still just there. Just been pushed aside to make a walking path through here. Like, it's not that much. It's not even 100 metres and they could fix it easy, you know, really. They've just got to put it right along the wall with a proper solid foundation, a road base, and pack it down properly and, you know, yeah. It doesn't look like there's as much rubbish up here as what there was over there near the breakwalls where it was before. So we'll go up further, up to right up near Molasty Street and have a look. See, they've sandbagged up and made their little sand pads all along here again, but they're dangerous as hell. There's a little stairway here you can get down to the beach, but it's still dangerous. Like, the government shouldn't let them do this. Like, just look how they've done it. It's just propped up. I feel unsafe to stand in here in front of any of it. Look at it there. It's just bamboo and shit just propping it up. There's a lot of weight behind all that sand and, you know, they should clean it up better. It just goes like that all the way along. Come on, Lucy. Lucy, let's go. Alright, we'll go up further, have a look. Right, so we're just up at the skate park here. Just going to have a look at the beach. Well, it's definitely a lot cleaner up here. There's still a lot of rubbish and sticks and things like that, but not as many plastic cups and that. That very corner in the beginning of the Kuta beach is just a natural catchment, you know. And even a lot of it goes on the other side of the airport into Jimbaran Bay. Last year they pulled out 90 tonnes of Jimbaran Beach last year of plastic. There's a giant big pile up here where they've been collecting all the timber and putting there, which is good. So they're onto it, trying to keep it as clean as they can. You reckon, Les? Eh? Okay, so now we're up right near Molasty Street. And we're just going to check out the beach here, see how clean it is up here. Seems to be cleaner the further you go up. Oh, here's the truck here, doing a great job. Check that out, picking up all the rubbish. Yeah, well, there, definitely from yesterday there's a lot more rubbish, but most of it's just timber. There's not as much plastic up here. I suppose these onshore winds is just bringing it in, you know, which is normal this time of year. Anyway, well, that's about it for this one. Let's give you another little update on the Rockwall, see what's going on. I'll keep my eye on that fourth Rockwall and the sand pumping thing, and get back to you with that. Make a video about that every couple of months. Check out this old combi here, eh? Looks like they're travelling. They've got the boards on the roof and set up to sleep in. In Maiden, every day is a holiday. Yeah, it must be someone just cruising around Indonesia. How cool is that? You don't see many good combi vans anymore. They're becoming a really rare thing. But over here, there's still a lot of them around. All right, Lacey, on the bike. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Oi. Oi. Only yet. So I'm up here just a few hundred metres past Padma at the moment. And yeah, the beach is definitely a lot cleaner. You can see Ibu here is raking up a bit, but it's very minimal up here compared to like from Molasty Street all the way down to the beginning of Kuta. There's a lot more rubbish. So yeah, it's definitely a lot cleaner up this end. So I suppose the best place to come is up around 66 and that, where it's definitely, you can see from here, the beach is just fairly clean the whole way. Yeah. So anyway, if you like this video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next one.